What's going on, guys and girls? Today we are going to be replacing a fill valve, and I am going to show you how to do that. It's a little less noisy than the ball type fill valve that we have in the toilet tank right now. So let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is remove the hose from the flush tower. Next step after that, I'm going to shut the water off to the toilet tank. Then drain all the water from the toilet tank. That should be good. Next thing we're going to do is remove the old fill valve. I use an ice bucket to place under the toilet tank to catch the water. Grab a pair of channel locks and go ahead and loosen the water supply valve. Loosen the nut that's holding in the old fill valve. Sometimes if you get a couple turns with the channel locks, you can untighten the rest with your hand. Lift out the old fill valve. Grab your new fill valve. I'd like to make sure the adjustments are right before installing the new fill valve. You can adjust it by pulling this ring back and then just moving this up and down to the desired location for your fill line. Snap that back in place. Rip out the middle of the gasket, just like so. And I'm gonna put the gasket on the bottom of the new fill valve. Go ahead and place the new fill valve into the toilet tank. I like to position mine kind of at a 45-degree angle. Remove the bucket full of water. Just gonna throw that in the tub right now. With your hand holding the fill valve inside the tank, use your other hand and grab the wing nut that is supplied. And this can be hand tightened all the way because of the wing nut. Just want to get it nice and snug. Hook up your supply line. I usually get that hand tight. Once I got it hand tight, I'll give it a couple of turns just to get it snug. You always want to be careful when you're tightening metal to plastic. That seems good. Just for good measure, while I'm down here, I'm going to check this supply line. These tend to come loose over time. See that? I'm still getting some turns on that. That's not good. Use caution when removing the old fill valve. As you can see, the old gasket just drips this nasty black stuff. Don't want to get that on a nice rug or something of value. Next step is to hook up the hose. This just slides on the new fill valve. And this flush tower has a hole that is provided for the hose. This looks pretty good. Fill hose is hooked back up to the flush tower. Gonna go ahead and open up the water supply line. Check the fittings for any leaks. All right, that's gonna do it. That's how you replace a fill valve on a toilet tank.